Hi everyone, Suri is back. Friends who have been following our channel will know that we recently released a series, the Thing video shorts about different applications of our LED posters. And today is the last video of the Thing about this series. I will show you how to make the LED posters integrated in various sports events. Okay, without more words, let's see it together. Imagine a scenario where you need to hold a big football match in a stadium. Outdoor screens can greet fans on road by placing LED posters at main entrance and parking lots. Besides, LED posters has live broadcast function. The video technology and the digital signage system play a key role in creating a dynamic environment for the audience to access real-time match info. In order to stimulate the passion of the audience, such as you can put 6 or 10 units LED posters together, a huge video wall is used to broadcast the sports to make the atmosphere even more exciting. Except for the sports fight, LED poster also be used for the school-related events and fitness advertisements. You can put different number of screens in the lecture halls, reception centers, school canteens, and gymnasiums to display the content that you want to show, which expanding the scope of dissemination, improve the universality and effectiveness of info. If it's a gym, you can put it on the reception to promote your club's advertising in the form of pictures or videos, so that your clients have a clear understanding for your gym. In short, there are thousands of ways to apply LED posters. As long as you have project requirements, we can provide you best solution for the corresponding. If you have any questions, please leave your comments in the below section. See you next video soon. Bye!